Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll share our videos commanded by our experts, so let's begin.
If you like, please like, share and subscribe. So let's begin our today's topic. Let's begin.
Large-scale AI operations are currently pulling data from your website. They ingest articles, images, and proprietary code to train massive models, which often occurs through unauthorized and silent scraping. For years, the primary defense against this extraction has been a blanket ban. Webmasters had to block all automated traffic just to keep the most aggressive scrapers at bay. This binary approach carries a heavy cost. By cutting off all bots, a site also disappears from the beneficial AI-powered search engines that drive modern web traffic. Cloudflare has launched AI crawl control to solve this. It replaces the allow all or block all choice with a system of granular, intent-based traffic management. To begin the configuration, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select your active domain. We are going to replace your perimeter wall with an intelligent gateway that identifies and filters traffic based on its value to your business. Managing this traffic requires us to categorize AI bots into 3 specific verticals based on how they interact with your content. Cloudflare identifies 3 pathways in this automated data. First, search crawlers fetch real-time data, providing citations that return traffic. Next, agent crawlers act as assistants, executing tasks for human users. Third, training crawlers ingest massive data to build models, providing no attribution in return. Understanding these 3 categories allows you to set rules that protect your intellectual property while keeping your search visibility intact. To see these bots in action, navigate to your domain's specific overview within the Cloudflare environment. In the side menu, locate and click the AI Crawl Control tab. Now, open the Crawlers tab. This provides a live audit of every AI scraper currently hitting your domain, including their operators and history of compliance. This log reveals exactly which corporations are harvesting your content and whether they are following web standards. Cloudflare now requires strict behavioral separation from these companies. AI bots must clearly distinguish their search discovery traffic from their background model training. If a bot attempts to bundle training scraping with general search, Cloudflare automatically flags and blocks the crawler for failing to meet these transparency requirements. This level of detail removes the anonymity scrapers once enjoyed, providing you with the data needed to enforce your own rules. With your traffic audited, you can now assign independent policies to specific crawlers or entire categories. Locate the training crawler and flip the toggle switch from allow to a blocked state. This immediately halts access to your data. For domains on the free tier, Cloudflare enforces these blocks by checking standard user agent strings. Pro and Enterprise plans go further, using behavioral machine learning to identify and halt bots that try to mask their identity to bypass standard filters. If your site is supported by advertising, note that starting September 15, 2026, Cloudflare will default to blocking training and agent bots on pages with ads to protect your revenue model. Flipping these toggles shifts the control of your data from the scraper back to you. Beyond simple blocking, you can choose to monetize the access requested by these AI companies. Paid tier clients can select the charge option for high-value bots they are willing to negotiate with. This utilizes the pay-per-use framework, which serves a customizable HTTP 402 payment-required status code to the crawler. You can inject specific onboarding text into this code, like a link to your licensing department, giving AI corporations a direct path to pay for the content they ingest. This configuration turns an automated data request into a direct commercial negotiation, establishing a permission-based revenue stream for your work. Your AI crawl control settings are now active across your network edge. You have successfully filtered out unauthorized model training while keeping your content visible in AI-driven search results. Because the AI landscape evolves quickly, check the Crawlers tab weekly to see new bots and adjust your policies. This crucial shift towards structured, permission-driven access ensures that modern data extraction now requires your explicit, documented consent. It is your site, it is your data, and your rules. Watch how this data is sucked from scattered nodes into a single core. Right now, artificial intelligence companies are running massive, automated scraping bots across the internet, extracting exabytes of text, images, and code from millions of websites straight into their own servers. These AI models and digital agents ingest your digital property to train their systems and answer user queries. But unlike traditional search engines, they do not send a single click of referral traffic back to your site. Today, we are going to set up a system to intercept these scrapers and require them to pay a direct fee before they can access your content. Setting these policies changes how your site interacts with the automated web, replacing universal access with a specific permission-based configuration for every bot that hits your server. To enforce these licensing fees, we will use Cloudflare's new pay-per-use framework. Before we begin the setup, you need 3 things: an active Cloudflare account, a dedicated email address for your licensing department, and a paid Cloudflare tier, such as Pro, Business, or Enterprise. That paid tier is mandatory. Free plans identify bots using standard user agent string lookups, which are easily spoofed by scrapers. Paid plans unlock Cloudflare's advanced behavioral and machine learning heuristics. You need those advanced heuristics because AI operators actively attempt to mask their scrapers' identities to avoid paying access fees. You have to be able to detect the disguises. Looking at the Cloudflare dashboard home screen, step 1 is to log in and select the specific domain you want to protect. Over here on this left-hand menu, you will see a highlighted section for AI crawl control. Click that tool. Once inside, click the Crawlers tab. This screen displays a live audit of every active AI scraper currently hitting your domain. You can see the specific bot names, the corporate operators running them, and their exact violation history. Total visibility is the required first step. You have to know exactly who is consuming your data before you can build them for it. This diagram breaks down how Cloudflare categorizes automated bots into 3 distinct verticals: search, agent, and training. This separation is crucial so you do not accidentally block unofficial traffic. First, the search column illuminates. These are search crawlers, bots fetching real-time data to display citations and drive traffic directly back to your site. You generally want to leave these set to allow. Next, the agent column lights up. Agent crawlers act on behalf of a human user to complete multi-step tasks or answer explicit queries. Notice how the data leaves your site, but no traffic returns. Finally, the training column illuminates. These are large language model scrapers that ingest massive tranches of web data strictly to train underlying models, offering absolutely no attribution to your site. Differentiating these 3 pillars keeps your website discoverable to the public through search engines, while precisely isolating the extraction bots you intend to monetize. Returning to your audit list, locate a specific training or agent crawler that you want to monetize. Go to the Policy drop-down menu, located right next to that specific crawler's entry. In the Policy drop-down next to the crawler you've identified, select the Charge option. This setting requires the crawler to verify a payment status or acknowledge your licensing terms before the server releases any data. Selecting Charge utilizes an HTTP 402 status code. In web protocols, a 402 is a standardized signal that simply means payment required. The moment you select Charge, this text input box appears, prompting you to configure a custom 402 response for the AI operator. Here is where you write your onboarding message. As shown in the box, write a clear directive telling the operator to contact your licensing department and ensure you include the exact email address. Finish the setup, simply save your settings. Your customized paywall is now deployed across your digital property. Notice how this digital barrier is deflecting a disguised shape. With the settings active, Cloudflare's behavioral heuristics now actively hunt and intercept masked bots attempting to slip past your toll booth. Moving forward, monitor your licensing inbox for corporate inquiries and regularly check the Crawlers tab to review the violation history of intercepted bots. As AI companies continue to rely on web data, these controls provide a technical mechanism to ensure those companies encounter your specific business terms.